Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial to teach you how to install Viva New Vegas in using Wabbajack. Okay, let's say that you download the file, the autoinstaller. In this case, this is the autoinstaller for Viva New Vegas uh, uh, with the three modules: core, visuals, and gameplay. This is not released yet. It will be released tomorrow. So this video will help you in advance. But it will work for any of the models that has been released so far. Okay, as you can see, I have a drive for my games, and here you can see that I have Steam installed here. I have my games here: G Games, Steam Apps Common. So I am going to install my model organizer folder in the same drive. Uh, my Steam folder for the games is. So I also have a folder for my games. It's called games. Then I click here and let's say that I'm going to create a new folder, new game. Remember this folder, you can name this folder as you wish, but I'm going to use Viva, bueno, uh, mod organizer 2 Viva New Vegas uh, core visuals gameplay. Okay, that's my name. It's not a pretty name, but it will work. So I have the folder, and I'm going to pick the auto-installer and move it in there. You see? And uh, I'm going to create here a folder called downloads. I will download here all the files that are required for the auto-installer to do its job. But actually, and here with this, I will only click here, and the auto-installer will do its job. Here you will select uh, the folder where you want to install the auto-installer. In this case, it's the same folder uh, that I previously created, and you pick the download uh, location. So okay, oh, sorry, oh, here games, uh, downloads, select folder, and there you go. You are ready to start doing this. However, I actually have all the downloads in my drive, so I'm going to take a, when you start this, let's do it. Let's make an example. I start and I said okay, and it's asking me where do I have my New Vegas game folder installed. So as I showed you before, it's in Steam Apps, Common, follow New Vegas. Okay, and he will start. He will ask you for to authorize Wabbajack to work in the uh, directly with Nexus. You click authorize, and he will start. You will start downloading all the the mods. However, I'm going to stop this because I already have all those downloads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this. This is only to short the process and be able to show you how to install this. And I'm going to take my downloads folder from my current working installation. I'm going to put it here, and I will start again the application, the Wabbajack, and you see that you will see that he will pick up and analyze all the downloads, all the mods that I have here, and will check if those mods are the right ones. So let me do this. I have all this here, and I will start here with begin. Okay, it's going to ask me where is the location of my game folder. Select, and okay, he started hashing all the the files that I previously downloaded. This can work for you. For example, if you started downloading the mods and you had to stop, and you can come back and resume the installation using the already downloaded mods. Okay. Oh, okay. It's doing extracting. You can see it's doing its job. Uh, I don't know if I have to pause the video and skip to the end. Uh, I think I will pause the video and skip to the the step where everything is installed. Oh, let's see. Installing. Okay, I have a pretty fast installation. Okay, in the meantime, I can tell you that you can visit the original guide that is Viva New Vegas. The link is in the Discord channel. You can go to Discord. Oh no, this is not Discord. Sorry. You can go to Discord, and there you will find the link to the original guide and the link to the Google Drive where you can find the installers. Currently, the installers are available for Core. This is the installer, and Core plus Gameplay. You see, and the one that is missing is the one that I am using right now, but it will be hopefully tomorrow available. Okay, this is still installing. Uh, One of the things that Wabbajack doesn't do yet is to set up the some files and do some merges. So I recommend to you to check the guide and read all these. Uh, uh, get used to how do we mod our games, and uh, all the prerequisites. Actually, all of this is installed automatically for Wabbajack, but for example, there are some manual stuff that you have to do. I'll show you. I'll show you in a while. Let's see. Oh, the inis. The inis. I didn't touch the inis in the configuration using Wabbajack, so you have to do that for yourself. Uh, it's pretty easy. It's to edit the ini files using mod organizer ini function, and also you have to do manually the the patching of the gig extender and the patching of the game, the 4 GB patcher. You have to do this manually. Besides that, okay, oh, the BSA, the compressor step, you also have to do it by yourself. And the custom inis are already taken care. You have to be aware of when you are doing the BCA, this compressor step, because you can miss this part of the guide that it says that you have to replace a line in the fallout in the inis in fallout.ini. You have to do this. Okay, I thought that I will talk enough to in order to get the Wabbajack installed, but it's still by the end. I'm going to pause the video and I will be back. Okay, okay, it's finished. The auto installer finished, and when it finishes, you will get this message: installation complete. You might exit the program. Also, you will get a report, but I don't know why I didn't get it. So you can do what it says, that is closing the auto installer. Okay. Okay, let's see what did I got in my installation folder. Remember, I create this folder specifically for this installation. So I have this installation, and here I have the following. I have the mod organizer. I have all the mods installed in this folder, folder mods, in the folder called mods. Also, you get the downloads, and now you have the meta and the and a SHA file that Wabbajack uses for indexing the content. But also you have the game folder files. These files go to the game folder, so I'm going to take them and I'm going to cut them, and I am going to put them where my game is installed. In this case, Fallout New Vegas, I already have them, so he will ask me for override them, so I'll give yes. Okay, too. Now I have all my now that I did this is the part of the guy called this 4 GB patcher and the gig extender patcher. Once you have done this, you click here where it says gig new Vegas patch. You click and it says that it's already patched because I already did it. If you patch it, you get a get backup file. Also, I'm going to try to patch the Fallout New Vegas patch, and Fallout is already patched, so I don't have to do this. You get all the files needed for the installation. So let's go to my folder, More Organizer 2 folder. What else do I have here? I have these load order files. Ignore this for now. This is an idea that I have to make things simpler, but right now it's not working as intended. So ignore this folder load config files. Actually, this is a book of Wabbajack. This belongs to Skyrim, so you can delete this folder. You don't need it. What else? Okay, you can check your profiles. This is the profile for the installation. Okay, the rest of files, you can see you still have the Viva New Vegas auto installer and the log file. If you have any problem, you can ask us in Discord, and you can send us this log file in order to help you to solve your problems installing with Wabbajack. Oh, this VF stacked files is not required. You can delete this if you wish. Also, the 7Z and 7Z is 7Z DLL. Going to delete this. Okay, this is just cleaning. You can let all those files inside this folder, and nothing wrong would happen. Okay, let's go to the Mod Organizer. So the first time that you start Mod Organizer, uh, you will get all the mods already installed in the left side of Mod Organizer pane, Bot Organizer, and in the right side you will get the plugins. What is missing? Okay, what is missing in the installation right now? Because this installation have all three modules, what is missing is the finish line for core, the finish line for visuals. Let's go here. Actually, for your information, this module is high, the high preset. What I installed, finish line and gameplay finish line. All these three finish line have missing, but it's pretty easy to do them because Wabbajack has the ability to translate the set and merge profiles from the author. Well, I'm not the author, the maker of the auto installer to you. So you only need to go to the Sedit and run it, and choose here. You choose set and merge, zmerge, I'm sorry, and follow New Vegas start session. So as you can see, you already have all the setup to build the merge for yourself. Uh, Gameplay not, because gameplay is requires the core and the just mods mercs to be created, so it will be red. But here you can build this. Oh, okay. You can check, you if you want to be sure that everything is was done right, you can go to core and here check is this order is the same order that you have here. Once you have done that, you click build and wait a minute, some time, and the merge will be done for you. Let's hope this works fast. Okay, merge. Okay, my new merge is up to date, and also a build here. This is the second merge here, and okay, close. And now I will close the merge. And now here you don't see the mods yet, but you click all mods, right click all mods, refresh, and you will get the core merge and the just mods merged. Okay, you activate them and they will appear here in the right pane. Okay, yeah, the as you can see here in the guide, uh, just mods merge must be above core merge. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to take them, and because I already know the position of the plugins, I will put them where it belongs, is above let me check. Okay, complete so JSOUR Ultimate here. They go here. Okay. I also made a guide here where you can see these steps visually. If this video won't work for you, okay, you can see here, where you have to put the plugins. Okay, now that I put them there, I run against Zedit and uh, Zmerge is actually the name. Okay, you can see that the gameplay and visuals, gameplay, you can build it. So let's build a gameplay this way. I hope you can excuse my English. It's not my native language, and actually this is the first tutorial I have done in my entire life. So build, let's wait, okay, now we have all the merge done. I close. Oh, remember I told you you should check that in gameplay finish line the order of the plugins is the same that you get there, and in visuals this order is the same that you. There is a thing with visuals, is that these two ESP aren't available anymore, so they are not in the list. But the author made just one patch, and that patch is in gameplay. I'm going to show you. We do the same here. All mods, right click, all mods, refresh. We activate gameplay and visuals merge. Now we have gameplay and visual here. Then I have to move visuals before, let's see, before interior lighting overhaul. So let's put it there. Okay, 75. Okay, and these two mods, character expansion revised MR, these two patches go also there. Um, okay, because they should have been merged with this, but uh, we'll do that in the next version. Okay, and then you have okay, the character expansion revise ESM is also misplaced. This one is a ESM, so it should go next to the other ESMs. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Okay, and that's all. You have your uh, model list done. So now you can do the step in any of the finish lines that says that you can hide all the plugins. You click all the plugins, disable plugins, close, and it will hide all the mods that were merged in the previous steps, and all the plugins will go to the optionals folders, and you won't see them here. At the end of the installation, you will have 79 plugins available and this load order. Okay, there is something else. The author of the Viva New Vegas provides a load order for core load order, visuals load order, and gameplay load order. However, because he's in the process of updating the guide and some mods have changed, you can use this gameplay load order to sort your uh, plugin list, but you can also, and I have to discuss with him which better, you can use this load order that is here in the drive, final load order. What you do is that you download this, and let's put it here. Well, let's put it in the desktop thing. I open it, load order, and I'll go to my profiles folder, Viva New Vegas, and replace my load order with this file. Replace, and inside Mod Organizer, I click and do refresh. Okay, it should do the work. You can also do that with the author's mod load order, uh, but you can trust on the one that I did. Now you're ready. You only need to run the game to okay. Oh, wait, sorry. You need to make the init tweaks in the core model, and after that you will can you could run Follow New Vegas using the NVSE and click run. Let's do a try to see how it goes. Oh, sorry. Oh, hi, we almost forget one step that is the BCA decompression. Let me explain you. Okay, it's running. Okay, as you can see, the game didn't crash. To quit, exit game. Okay, the missing step is the step in the core guide where you have to core finish where I'm sorry, this is in installation. Okay, anyway, all the things that I am saying right now, you can find them in the readme in the Google Drive. It will be better than listen to me, but I hope here this is step BCA decompressor. The BCA decompressor is inside the tools folder, and also is the xlogin. You also have to do the xlogin step that is in the visuals here in lot. Okay, fnv.gem, and you have to do that step also. But the VCA decompressor, you have to run this as administrator, and choose where your Fallout New Vegas is installed and decompress. After you decompress, you must be aware that you have to pick a line that shows here as the author uh, shows here, this line, and you have to put it in the fallout.ini in using Mod Organizer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really sorry for my English and the way that I explained some things. I hope you get something from this video, and please read the guide and support the original author of Viva New Vegas. He's going to do an update. It's a very good guide. Uh, it's pretty well done, and I understood everything. You can do the guide by yourself if you want to actually learn how to mod uh, Fallout New Vegas. You surely didn't regret. You won't regret doing that. It's very informative. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in Discord. My user there is Johan LH, and you can talk to me over there. Bye bye.